Hello everyone, this is Steven Choi. Welcome to Alpha Gorilla's SAT2 Math2C course. Okay, today we are going to start with the test set number 8. Right, it is the two last test sets before we finish all the 10 practice tests. Okay, so let's start with the question number 1 today. Okay, the question number 1. A times, parenthesis, A over B plus B over C is equal to. Okay, so how can you solve this kind of problem? This is probably the easiest question on this test set. It is A C plus B square over BC, right? And we should multiply A. If you do this, we get A square C plus AB square over BC, right? Easy. So the right answer choice is A. Okay, let's move on to the next question, number 2. Number 2 says, at a stove factory, a machine A can produce 50 soaps an hour and machine B can produce 1,000 soaps an hour. So when two machines are running simultaneously, how long does it take to make 2,250 soaps? So the machine A can produce 50 soaps and machine B can produce 100 soaps. So how many, if they work simultaneously for X hours, then how long does it take to make 2,250 soaps? This is simple, right? Divide both sides by 150 and you will get X is equal to 15. So it takes 15 hours. Correct answer choice is C. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Number 3. It says, if y is equal to mx minus 2, which of the following is true? This is a linear function, the simplest form of the function, right? Let's check by one. A says x-intercept is 2. We cannot be sure. Why? Because we don't know the value of m, right? So x-intercept is whenever y value is 0, then whatever the x value is, that is the x-intercept, right? In other words, what is this? When you put 0 in place of y, 0 is equal to mx minus 2, right? Whatever you get for the value of x is the x-intercept. But we cannot find this out. Why? Because we don't know the value of m, right? So we are not sure. Okay, let's look at answer choice B. Y-intercept is negative 2. Okay, y-intercept is when you put 0 in place of x. Whatever you get for the value of y is the y-intercept. In other words, what is this? If you put 0 in place of x, it is y is equal to m times 0, which is 0, negative 2. Right? So y-intercept is negative 2. And it says y-intercept is negative 2 here, so B is correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Number 4, it says, if sine x is equal to 0.37, then cosine x is equal to, okay. So first, we need to find out the value of x. How can you find this out? Right, by using the calculator. Sine, inverse sine of 0.37 is equal to x, right? And find the x value, and then we're looking for the cosine x value. Therefore, if you put x here, then you will get cosine x is equal to 0.93. 0.93, correct answer choice is D. Okay, let's move on to the next question, number 5. Number 5, okay. If fn x is equal to x over square root of x squared plus 1, what is the domain of fn x function? Okay. So, the thing you should be wary of in this kind of question is that you should make the denominator, if the denominator is equal to 0, then the whole function is impossible to define. Therefore, be sure that the denominator is greater than 0, right? Greater than 0. So, square root of x squared plus 1 gotta be greater than 0. And we can easily realize that whatever value we put in place of x, this is always positive. Why? Because it is an x squared, right? If you put negative here, positive here, whether you put it